Hey there guys, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome back to another video. So today I have a quick announcement video. I am going to be offering a special class from now until the end of March 31st, and it's going to be the Perennial birthday kit. So when you purchase this kit along with the coordinating stamp set and you use the special hostess code that I have with the coordinating blog post, you are going to get videos and supply lists for 4 extra projects. So it'll be 4 exclusive projects using either parts of the kit or the stamp set or a combination of both. Now, not only will you get those, but you're also going to earn a celebration item, and that's why we're doing it until March 31st, because that's the last day of celebration, and celebration is where you earn a free product with every $50 purchase. Now, this, again, like I said, this is going to be limited to those of you who place an order between now and March 31st. It's also going to be exclusive. You will get your items through email probably the following weekend, but definitely by the middle of April, that we have plenty of time to use this kit. And so yeah, so I'm really excited. I hope that you guys are too. I really love this kit. I love the colors in the kit. The box is beautiful. So yeah, so I'm gonna unbox this with you here because I haven't looked at it yet. I've only seen it in the catalog, and then so you'll be able to see what all comes with it. So the stamp set is separate, but look at the stamp set. I love these flowers. They are so cute. There's been a lot of good samples with this, and if you placed an order in February, you actually got a tutorial using this stamp set. So it comes in a box like this. It's pretty big. And open it up here. So the great thing about these kits, not if it's Paper Pumpkin or if it's a kit that you're getting through Stampin' Up, they always come with an instruction sheet. So this tells you how to put the cards together, how to do the box, etc. And it's in all of our languages. So you can see there's the first card. So they're really cute. The colors in this are Dapper Denim and Flirty Flamingo, which I never would have thought to put those together. I'm kind of sad about it, especially since both of those colors are retiring this year. So let me just open this up. This box is so cute. I can't wait to put this on display. And I like that it's a birthday kit because, honest to God, Rob needed a birthday card for his mom. I couldn't find one. I'm like, oh, did I already give out all my birthday cards? It's like, that's the one I need to have the most stock in because everybody has a birthday. Whether you want to have a birthday or not. I mean, I'm excited to be alive, but I don't know that I necessarily want to be 40. But I am excited to be alive. Okay, so how pretty is that? And it has gold accents. And it's really sturdy chipboard. You can see the bottom. How pretty is this going to look on a shelf? I love it. And then you just open it like this. So it comes with, it looks like some Dapper Denim twine and ooh, some gold satin ribbon. That's pretty. And then it comes with all your supplies to make the cards and the dividers. So this is like a recipe box, except it's for cards. I guess you could use it as a recipe box if you wanted to. I don't keep recipes like that. All my recipes are on Pinterest. So let's see. Get some of these. Ooh, I love that one. Look at that. So pretty. Get some banners. Then you get some card layers. So pretty. Are these bases? Oh, these are bases. Whoa, let me shut up. These are cute. And they're already white on the inside, so you don't have to worry about adding in a white panel. You guys, look at this one. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's so pretty. Ooh, this kit is going to be so much fun. Oh my word, I'm so excited. This one's pretty. I'm not a huge gold fan, but you guys know I love it with blue. So pretty. And then you get matching envelopes, you get balloons, you get stickers for the months, you get tabs, and then, oh, this is so cool. This is like a perennial, perpetual calendar where you put everything, like everybody's birthday on whatever day it is, and you can just pull this out and then send them a card. That is fantastic. That's fantastic. I'm so excited for this, and I hope that you are too. So, like I said, everything will be linked in the description box down below, along with that special hostess code that will get you the free tutorials. Now, it's going to be 4 cards. You're not going to receive anything in the mail from me, but you are going to be receiving digital items. That's just easier. I thought about offering this as like a Jolly Mail or something, but there's no way I could ship this and it not be really expensive, and it's just easier to have Stampin' Up! Ship it to you. So yeah, so let me know in the comments again down below what you think of this kit. Are you so excited to do this? Are you ready to make some birthday cards? Are you excited to have some exclusive content again? Oh my gosh, it's been a while, guys. It's been a while. So let me finish putting this up, and I'll show it to you one last time. So pretty. I love the little latch. So yeah, so thanks so much for joining me, guys. I really do appreciate you. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you again tomorrow. Bye for now.